Hi, today I'll be talking about Internet of Things in Italy. IoT is a network of devices like phones, laptops, printers, and other appliances that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies, where data is integrated and exchanged in a secure system for people to access the internet, reduce network attacks, and avoid traffic jams. In the United States, IoT is being used for wearable tech and improving energy usage. In Italy, it is being used for smart cities and the space sector. IoT is typically used in industries like agriculture, transportation, logistics, energy, and healthcare. Many consumers in Italy are adopting IoT. Italy is using IoT to monitor and track patients' conditions remotely, manage sensors in smart home devices and cars, and handle agricultural resources. A few examples are Terna SPA for infrastructure, the Campari Group for food and beverage, and Bracco for pharmacies. Smart cities, smart metering, and precision farming conserve renewable resources, increase public security, and reduce waste, harmful chemicals, and carbon dioxide emissions in Italy. With IoT, Italy faces the risk of a digital divide between the northern and southern regions, as well as infrastructure gaps, costly integrations, and small to medium sized enterprise technological limitations. IoT is being adopted in Italy across multiple industries and is allowing 5G to flourish as well as customization, innovation, and satellites. However, attacks are on the rise, which may result in data breaches, ransomware, and IoT botnets. And some devices and legacy systems are vulnerable to these attacks. Across the world, many countries are adopting IoT, and over billions of people use it for a variety of applications. In cities like Milan and Genoa, Italy is using IoT to develop them into smart cities through smart parking and sensors for monitoring traffic and weather conditions. In Torino, a building called the Torino City Lab is working on an initiative that promotes IoT innovation and the integration of technologies like 5G. Bari is also developing digital twins for an IoT project that will allow it to manage neighborhoods and foster innovation. Today, IoT is used in many industries across Italy, such as healthcare, agriculture, manufacturing, automotive, transportation, and retail. IoT will be used more widely in a bigger variety of industries as a major influence such as smart cities and mobility and water management, in addition to all the other industries. Currently, the market for Italian IoT is experiencing economic growth. Italy is actively encouraging companies to invest in IoT technologies with initiatives like Transition 4.0 and government funding. In the near future, everyone in Italy, as well as other countries, will have fully adopted IoT. I hope sometime this will happen as early as 2026 or 2027. IoT solves the following goals in Italy through reducing the waste of renewable resources, improving technological industrial innovations, ensure public safety and protection from cyber attacks, and promoting patient health care. This corresponds to the fulfillment of the following sustainable development goals: good health and well being. Number 3. Goal 6, clean water and sanitation. 7, affordable and clean energy. 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. 11, sustainable cities and communities. 12, responsible consumption and production. 13, climate action. And, of course, goal 16, peace, justice, and strong institutions. Now we're going to move on to two truths, one lie. Which of these three statements is a lie? Italy is not a member of the European Union, so their use of IoT is destroying the market and causing economic decline. With IoT, Italy faces the risk of a digital divide between the northern and southern regions, as well as infrastructure gaps, cost, and SME limitations. Torino, Italy's Torino City Lab is currently developing an initiative that focuses on promoting IoT innovation and integration of technologies like 5G.